A path of light ejects from a source which goes in a definite direction is called a ray. The cluster of rays are called beam. When all the rays ejecting from a source are all parallel to each other, then the beam is called parallel beam. When the rays ejecting from a source are meeting at a point, then the beam is called convergent beam. When the light rays from a source diverges from a point, then the beam is called divergent beam. When light falls on a shiny or polished surface, then it usually bounces back. This phenomenon of light is called reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection of light. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence are all lie on the same plane. The angle formed between incident ray and normal, that is angle of incidence, is equal to the angle formed between reflected ray and normal, that is angle of reflection.